Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to do mobile hotspot in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. First, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to more connections. And here just click on hotspot and tethering and just turn on this button Wi-Fi hotspot and 0 devices connected. Okay, yes, click over Wi-Fi hotspot and you can change hotspot name. Now by default hotspot name is set to your device name iQOO Z9s 5G. If you click on it and you can delete this name and just you can type another name. Okay, I don't want to rename it, so I leave it and click on security. Here you can choose security of a type, that is WA2 personal or WPA2 WPA3 personal or WPA3 personal. Okay, yes, if you would like to select no password, click on none. Okay, suppose if you would like to set a password, just click on it and here you can set your password. Click on hotspot password and by default it will be giving some complex password. Suppose if you would like to delete this password and type your own password, yes, you can do it. Here just for the sake of demo, I just type 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, minimum 8 characters should be used. Okay, click on OK. Then now you can connect this mobile hotspot. Mobile hotspot is created and connect it to other devices. Okay, before that there is also one more settings like one time mobile data usage limit. Just click on it. Yes, a mobile data usage limit here unlimited by default is selected. Okay, suppose if you would like to limit your mobile data, that is mobile data can be shared from this mobile to another device through hotspot. Okay, suppose if you would like to share the limited one, then choose from the available options. Also you can choose the custom limit. Okay, so here 50 megabytes and 100 megabytes, 200 megabytes, 500 megabytes are showing. Suppose if you are selecting 100 megabytes, means only up to 100 megabytes another device can share from this device. Okay, so after that mobile data sharing will be stopped. Okay, if you would like to set custom one, yes, click on custom and here type your own data limit. So here just I type 236. So 236 megabytes, up to 236 megabytes other devices can share your mobile data. Okay, yes. So then maximum number of connections, click on it and maximum 10 devices can be connected to your phone. Okay, suppose if you would like to limit it to, yes, you can just select from the available options. Here I was selected 3, only 3 can be connected. Suppose if you would like to use only one, just click on one so that another one device can be connected. Okay, so only one device can be connected to your phone through hotspot. Okay, I keep it to 5. Okay, as of now, and here then turn off hotspot automatically. That means when devices are connected, click just to turn off hotspot automatically when no devices are connected. Suppose no devices are connected and you are staying your mobile hotspot very long time, then automatically turn off hotspot. Okay, automatically your phone will turn off hotspot. Okay, then AP band, here you can choose the band. Okay, 2.4 gigahertz band and 5 gigahertz band you can use. Okay, this is preferred frequency for connecting. Okay, that is a range. Okay, yes, support Wi-Fi 6. Okay, a higher connection can speed will be provided. A higher connection speed will be provided if you turn on this. Okay, so these are all the settings for your mobile hotspot. Now mobile hotspot is created and bring another device to connect. Here I am bringing this device and just long press Wi-Fi from another device and your device will be showing here. Just click on it. This is the signal of your mobile hotspot. Just click it and just type the password that you have set in your mobile hotspot. That is for the sake of demo, I just used simple password like 1 2 3 4 5 678. Okay, you can also keep showing your password by ticking this tick box, this box. Okay, here 8 should be. Okay, click on connect. Yes, yes, mobile hotspot is connected now. And if you have mobile data in your phone, that can be shared here too. Okay, yes. So I am checking whether it is working or not. Yes, it's working very well. I am opening Facebook here. Also, I am going Amazon app. Okay, yes, it's also loading. So mobile data can be shared from your phone, that is iQOO to the other device. Okay, so in this way you can easily create mobile hotspot and share it to another device. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.